share a successful case of E-2 visa application. Our client is an investor with a Taiwanese passport, and he invested over $1 million to an established U.S. company whose main business sector is doing sales on Amazon. Because the client invested more money than other similarly situated E-2 applicants, he had greater burden to prove the source of funds. With the help from Attorney Lee, the E-2 visa application was eventually approved. E-2 classification is a non-immigrant visa that allows a national of a treaty country to work in the U.S. Spouse and children under the age of 21, as dependents to the principal visa holder, are also eligible for E-2. After entering the U.S., the spouse of an E-2 holder can apply for work authorization, and the children can go to public schools without tuition. E-2 classification is renewable, and there is no limitation on how many times renewal can be filed, provided that the E-2 company is in good standing and all other requirements are met. Although E-2 does not by itself pave the way to a green card, E-2 holders can apply for green cards through other means, such as EB-1C, EB-3, EB-5, and other ones. E-2 classification is only available to nationals of those countries the U.S. maintained a treaty of commerce or navigation with. For example, Canada, Singapore, and Korea. A complete treaty country list can be found on the Department of State website. General eligibility for E-2 classification. Be a national of a treaty country. Have invested or is actively in the process of investing in a legally established U.S. company. Or the only purpose of coming to the U.S. is to develop and manage the E-2 company. One can also be eligible for E-2 classification as an employee of a treaty investor. Moreover, a non-treaty country national, like one from China, is not completely barred from obtaining eligibility for E-2. Please contact the law offices of Sabrina Lee for more information. Attorney Lee and her team have rich experience in E-2 applications. If you would like to know more about E-2 classification or other similar types of visas, please reach out to us.